Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Club, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all of our listeners. It is so good to be back today.
It's great to have you back, Paul. How are you doing?
I am feeling wonderful, thank you. Very happy and very relaxed.
Ooh, relaxed. That is a great word. You look very relaxed.
Thank you. I had a very, very good week. How about you? How was your week?
My week was good. It was busy, lots of work, but I am happy it is time for the podcast.
Me too. I love talking with you and everyone here. And today we have a very fun topic. It's a topic everyone loves.
Ooh, a fun topic. I am ready. What is it?
Today we are going to talk about vacations.
Vacations. Ah, yes, that is a fun topic.
Yes, we are going to practice how to talk about a vacation in English, how to ask questions, and how to answer.
That is so useful. Talking about happy things like a trip is a great way to practice English.
Exactly. But before we talk about vacations, we have a small request for everyone.
Yes, we do. If you are listening and you like our podcast, please take 1 second to click the like button.
Yes, a big thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow. And please subscribe to English Club.
When you subscribe, you don't miss any of our new episodes. And if you have a friend who is learning English, please share this podcast with them.
Yes, thank you so much. Your support is amazing.
Okay, Paul, I am ready. Let's talk about vacations.
Okay, so Emily, you said you are very relaxed.
Yes, I am. And you were not here last week.
That is true. I was not here.
Where were you, Paul?
I was on vacation.
Aha, I knew it. That is wonderful, Paul. A vacation.
Yes, it was so nice to have a break from work.
I am so happy for you. So we must ask, where did you go?
I went to the beach.
The beach. Ah, I love the beach. That sounds perfect.
It was. I love the beach too. I love the sound of the water, the ocean.
Me too. Which beach did you go to?
I went to a place called Sunshine Beach.
Sunshine Beach? That is a very happy name.
It is, and it was very sunny.
Oh, good. So tell us, how was it? Was it a good vacation, Paul?
It was fantastic.
Really?
I did not want to come back.
Oh, no. That is the sign of a great vacation.
Yes, I feel so new, rested.
Rested. That is a good feeling. So what did you do? Did you do many things?
No, not really. And that was the best part. I did not do much.
Ah, a relaxing vacation.
Exactly. I did not have a plan. I just relaxed.
That sounds perfect. So what did you do in the morning?
In the morning, I woke up, not too early, maybe 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. That is a good vacation morning.
Yes. Then I had breakfast, a nice slow breakfast. I had coffee and fruit.
And after breakfast?
After breakfast, I went to the beach. I walked on the sand.
Ah, a walk on the beach. Was it quiet?
Yes, very quiet in the morning. Just the sound of the ocean.
How was the weather? You said it was sunny.
Yes, the weather was perfect. It was sunny and warm every day.
Wow. Every day?
Yes, no rain, not one cloudy day, just blue skies.
You are very lucky.
I know. So after my walk, I went swimming.
Swimming in the ocean.
Yes, the water was so blue and beautiful.
Was the water cold?
A little bit cold when I first went in, but after 1 minute, it was perfect.
That's the best. I love swimming in the ocean.
Me too. I just floated. I floated in the water and looked at the blue sky.
Paul, you are making me want a vacation.
Sorry, it was just so good.
So you walked, you swam, what else? Did you read?
Yes, I brought a book. I sat on a chair at the beach and I read my book.
That is my favorite thing to do. Reading at the beach is the best.
It is. It was so peaceful.
How long were you at the beach?
I was there for 1 week, 7 days.
1 week, that's a great amount of time.
Yes, not too short, not too long. It was just right.
And who did you go with? Did you go with your family?
Yes, I went with my wife and our 2 children.
Aw, a family vacation. That is so special.
It was. The children loved the beach so much.
Oh, I am sure they did. What did they do?
They played in the sand all day.
Did they build sandcastles?
Oh, yes, big, big sand castles. They used buckets and shovels. They were very busy.
That is so cute.
And they found shells. You know, the small white and pink things in the sand?
Shells, yes. Did they collect them?
Yes. We have a bag full of shells at home now.
That is a great souvenir, a memory from the trip.
Exactly. They were so happy.
It sounds like everyone was happy.
Yes. And in the afternoon, we all took a nap.
A nap? A sleep in the afternoon?
Yes, a vacation nap. The best.
Oh, yes, the beach makes you feel sleepy.
Good sleepy. That's right. So we all slept for 1 hour. It was very quiet.
This sounds like the perfect vacation, Paul.
It was very close. And the food, Emily, the food.
Oh, the food. Tell me about the food. What did you eat?
We ate a lot of seafood. You know, fish.
Fresh fish from the ocean.
Yes, it was so delicious. We went to small restaurants by the beach.
So you did not cook.
No cooking. No cooking on vacation. That is a very good rule.
Yes.
So for dinner, we had fish and rice and salad. Very simple, but so good.
And for lunch.
For lunch, we just had sandwiches. Easy.
Good idea. And I must ask, what about dessert?
Yes, dessert. Every night the children wanted one thing.
Let me guess. Ice cream?
Yes, ice cream.
Of course. You must have ice cream at the beach.
That's what my son said. So every night we walked to a small ice cream shop.
What flavor did you get?
I love chocolate ice cream.
A classic, very good.
And my wife likes vanilla. And the children tried everything. Strawberry, mango, cookies.
That is the sound of a happy family.
It really was. It was just a simple, happy week.
I am so glad you had that time, Paul. That is so important.
Thank you, Emily. It was much needed. I feel ready for work again.
That is good to hear.
So that was my vacation. What about you, Emily? Do you have a vacation planned?
Yes, I do. I have a vacation coming next month.
Oh, wonderful. Next month. Where are you going?
I am going to the mountains.
The mountains. Oh, very different from the beach.
Yes, no sand, no ocean. I like the mountains too. They are so quiet and beautiful.
Yes, that is why I am going. I want to see the big green trees and the mountains.
And what will you do there? Will you relax like me?
I will relax, but I will also go hiking.
Hiking? You mean walking in the mountains?
Yes, I love to go for long walks in the forest. It is so fresh and clean.
That is great exercise. And the air is so nice.
Yes, I want to see animals, maybe birds.
Oh, lovely. And who are you going with?
I'm going with 2 of my good friends.
Ah, a trip with friends. That is always so much fun.
Yes, we are very excited.
So where will you stay? In a hotel?
No, we rented a small house.
A cabin? A small house in the forest?
Yes, it's made of wood, and it has a big fireplace.
Oh, that sounds so cozy, so nice and warm.
I hope so. It is colder in the mountains. I need to bring a warm jacket.
Yes, and warm socks.
Yes, good idea. Warm socks.
And will you go to restaurants?
No, we plan to cook. The cabin has a small kitchen.
Oh, that is fun. What will you cook?
I think we will make pasta. Pasta is easy and good for a big group.
I love pasta.
And because it is cold, we will make hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate in the mountains? Paul, that is a perfect plan.
I think so. We will go hiking in the day, and at night we will sit by the fire and drink hot chocolate.
And talk with your friends?
Yes, and play card games. It will be simple, like your vacation.
That sounds wonderful, Paul. I hope you have the best time.
Thank you, Emily. I am counting the days.
So, we both love vacations.
Yes, everyone loves vacations, and it's a great topic for English practice.
It is. Let's review some of the easy words we used.
Good idea. The main word is vacation. Sometimes people say trip.
Yes, I am on vacation or I'm on a trip.
And to ask a question, you can say, where did you go?
Where did you go? And the answer is I went to.
I went to the beach. I went to the mountains. Or I went to London. I went to Tokyo.
Yes. And you can ask, how was it?
How was it? That means, was it good or bad?
And you can answer, it was wonderful. It was great. It was fantastic. Or it was relaxing.
Or maybe it was terrible.
Oh no, I hope not.
No, let's hope it is always good. And a very good question is, what did you do?
Yes. What did you do? And you can say, I went swimming, I walked, I relaxed, I ate delicious food, I read a book, I slept.
See, all very simple, useful words. It's a fun conversation to have with a friend or someone at work.
Yes, you can practice these questions.
Well, Emily, our time is almost finished for today.
Oh, you are right. Time flies when we are talking about vacations.
It does. It was so nice to share my trip with you, and it was great to hear about your plans.
Thank you to everyone for listening to us today.
Yes, thank you so much. We really hope this conversation was helpful for your English.
And please, if you liked our chat today, don't forget to subscribe to English Club.
Yes, and please give this episode a like, a thumbs up. It helps other people find our podcast.
And share it with one friend who is learning English too.
And we have a question for you. We would love to hear from you.
Yes. In the comments below this episode, please tell us, where did you go on your last vacation?
Ooh, yes, tell us where you went and what you did. Or if you don't have a last vacation, tell us where do you want to go? What is your dream vacation?
Oh, I love that. Your dream trip. Do you want to go to the beach, the mountains, or a big city?
We are so excited to read your answers in English.
Yes, it is great practice for you to write, and we love reading them.
It's true. Well, thank you again, everyone. We will see you next time.
Bye, Paul. Have a great week.
You too, Emily. Goodbye, everyone.